All right, everyone, I'm going to work out question 11 from the Big Ideas Chapter 15 practice test. This question is similar to one that we did for homework about water flow and all that stuff. So it says water flows at a rate of 6,000 cubic inches per minute into a cylindrical tank. The tank has a diameter of 180 inches and a height of 72 inches. What is the height in inches of the water in the tank after 5 minutes? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, so here's our cylinder. It flows into the tank at a rate of 6,000 inches per minute. Well, this one's a little easier than the homework one actually because there's not conversions and stuff. If it is 6,000 inches per minute, then we can figure out how much it is in 5 minutes. So if I have my inches cubed over minutes, I know it's 6,000 inches in 1 minute. How many inches in 5 minutes? Solve your proportion. We know that it is 30,000 inches cubed in 5 minutes. So this is our new volume that we're working on, okay? So now the volume that we want in this tank. So we just have to figure out how high up in the tank it goes. I know our formula for volume is volume equals pi r squared times height, okay? The volume is right here. We want 30,000 cubic inches of water equals pi. The radius is here. The diameter is 180 inches, which means the radius would be 90 inches. So times 90 squared times height. 30,000 equals pi times 8,100 height, okay, times height. We can kind of rearrange this to make it look a little nicer. This is 8,100 pi times height. There's a couple ways you can go about it. Right now, you could just divide both sides by 8,100 pi, 8,100 pi, and this will get you about 1.2, okay? So I know that the height rounded to the nearest tenth is 1.2 inches, which means the tank will just fill in the 1.2 inches. Okay, there's your answer there. If you struggle with the math right here, we're rounding, so go ahead and do things like that. Right here, you guys, this is 30,000 divided by, work it out a little bit. 8,100 times pi, okay, and that's about 25,434. And then again, when you divide that, you'll get the same thing, okay? So if you don't have a scientific calculator and a way to punch that in, just do the math a little bit because you're rounding anyways, okay? I hope that helps.